Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Merge Mansion Level 1. To begin, you will see a game board with various items. Your primary goal is to merge identical items by dragging one onto another. For example, combine two Level 1 flower pots to create a Level 2 flower pot. This action clears space and progresses your inventory. Focus on completing the first few tasks presented on the left side of your screen to quickly earn rewards and understand the core mechanics. The core of Merge Mansion involves merging. Always look for pairs of items that can be combined. Each successful merge not only creates a new, more valuable item, but also often yields coins or stars. Remember to utilize your energy wisely. It's essential for activating producer items, which generate the base items you need for merging. Clearing debris on your board also expands your playable area, giving you more room to work with. For Level 1, your main strategy should be task-driven. Always check the active tasks and prioritize merging items that fulfill those requirements. Aim to upgrade your producer items, like the toolbox or flower pot, as quickly as possible. Higher-level producers generate better items. Efficient board management is key. Try to keep your board organized to easily spot merge opportunities. Save your precious gems for critical moments, not impulse buys. A common mistake is selling items too soon. Only sell if you are truly out of space and the item isn't needed for a task. Try to plan your merges a few steps in advance to maximize efficiency and prevent your board from becoming too full. Don't forget about your storage. It's a valuable tool for holding items you'll need later. Most importantly, have fun exploring the mansion's mysteries and enjoy the satisfying merge process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.